We're going to be making an Alfredo sauce out of cauliflower. Fabulous. We're just going to be using half of the cauliflower. So I don't like to saute in oil. I always saute in water, and I'm going to saute the whites in the broth, and I'm going to save the greens to sprinkle on top. And then I'm going to be adding a sliced carrot. I'm going to add 2 garlic cloves. We have the benefits of the allanase enzyme. It's wonderful for DNA. It's a cancer fighter. It's antimicrobial, antifungal. I love ginger. It smells so good. And when we combine it with the garlic and the onions, whoop, we don't want to peel unless we have to, because we want to make sure we get those parts that protect the plant, which can also protect us. And I'm just putting that whole baby bok choy in the steamer just like that. I'm adding 2 quarts of broth, just 1 head of broccoli. This is going to be an Asian noodle soup. And so there are several different ways you can spiralize. You can have a spiralizer. I'm going to cut my zucchini. Okay, and just throwing these red bell peppers right on top. I'm going to pour our Alfredo sauce. And I could toss them or I can leave it just like that. But here's our sweet potato noodles with our Alfredo sauce. My mouth is watering. It's like I'm ready to eat.